Hi, today we're going to be taking a look at the Android L keyboard. This is a keyboard that will be included in the stock version of Android L. This keyboard is just the Google keyboard with a new material design. For those of you who didn't watch the I/O keynote, this design will be taking over in the next version of Android. So as we take a look, you'll notice that the new design keeps up with Google's material idea very well and is very smooth. Now, I personally really like this design, and I'm happy Google is doing it for the next version of Android. So now, you may be asking yourself, how can I get this design? Well, to get this design, there are many things you could do. But the simplest is to go to your Play Store and search the Android L keyboard. You just install it, set it as your default input method, and there you go. Now, if you really don't like the material design or couldn't care either way, I would not recommend downloading this, because all this is the Google keyboard with a new design. If you like the Google keyboard how it is now, I would recommend you stick with it, because there are no other changes than that. That's all we have for you today, but if you'd like more news on upcoming Android apps or upcoming technology, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.